What is DeepSeek? What to know about the Chinese AI startup that spurred a stock sell-off? Key takeaways. US AI stocks sold off Monday as an app from Chinese AI startup DeepSeek dethroned OpenAI's as the most downloaded free app in the US on Apple. DeepSeek claims its latest model's performance is on par with that of American AI leaders like OpenAI, and was reportedly developed at a fraction of the cost. However, several analysts raised doubts about the market's reaction Monday, suggesting reasons it could offer investors a chance to pick up beaten-down AI names. Shares of AI chipmaker Nvidia, NVDA, and a slew of other stocks related to AI sold off Monday as an app from Chinese AI startup DeepSeek boomed in popularity. DeepSeek's AI assistant recently topped the list of free iPhone apps on Apple's AAPL App Store. 1. It wasn't in the top 10 on Alphabet's Google Play Store, though it is listed there. 2. In Apple's store, the app ranked higher than ChatGPT, not so on Google. Here's what you need to know about DeepSeek, and why it's having a big impact on markets. And if you're wondering if it wasn't that long ago that another Chinese app was topping the download charts, you're not wrong. What DeepSeek is and why it is rattling the AI sector. DeepSeek, a Chinese startup founded by hedge fund manager Liang Wenfeng, was founded in 2023 in Hangzhou, China, the tech hub home to Alibaba, Baba, and many of China's other high-flying tech giants. 3. The company says its latest R1i model released last week offers performance that is on par with that of OpenAI's ChatGPT. Its V3 base model launched in December was also reportedly developed in just 2 months for under $6 million, at a time when the US is limiting China's access to its most sophisticated chips, and American AI leaders like OpenAI, Anthropic, and Meta platforms, Meta, are spending billions of dollars on development. The rapid ascension of DeepSeek has investors worried it could threaten assumptions about how much competitive AI models cost to develop, as well as the kind of infrastructure needed to support them, with wide-reaching implications for the AI marketplace and big tech shares. Nvidia, in a statement, called DeepSeek an excellent AI advancement, calling it a perfect example of a concept known as test time scaling. DeepSeek-driven sell-off hits chip, energy stocks. The tech-heavy Nasdaq fell more than 3% Monday as investors dragged a host of stocks with ties to AI, from chip to energy firms, downwards. Shares of American AI chipmakers including Nvidia, Broadcom, AVGO, and AMD sold off, along with those of international partners like TSMC, TSM. The PHLX Semiconductor Index, SOX, dropped more than 9%. Networking solutions and hardware partner stocks dropped along with them, including Dell, Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, HPE, and Arista Networks, ANET. Some energy stocks were hit too. Shares of nuclear and other energy companies that saw their stocks boom in the last year in anticipation of an AI-driven boom in energy demand, such as Vistra, VST, Constellation Energy, CEG, Oklo, and NewScale, SMR, also lost ground Monday. Meanwhile, some non-tech sectors like consumer staples rose Monday, marking a reconsideration of the market's momentum in recent months. Some analysts see worries as overblown. Several analysts raised doubts about the longevity of the market's reaction Monday, suggesting that the day's pullback could offer investors a chance to pick up AI names set for a rebound. Bernstein's Stacy Rasgon called the reaction overblown and maintained an outperform rating for Nvidia's stock price. 4. Citi analysts, who said they expect AI companies to continue buying its advanced chips, maintained a buy rating on Nvidia. 5. Wedbush analysts, who voiced skepticism that any major US companies would use a Chinese startup like DeepSeek to build their AI infrastructure, said, launching a competitive LLM model for consumer use cases is one thing, launching broader AI infrastructure is a whole other ballgame, and nothing with DeepSeek makes us believe anything different. 6. Wedbush called Monday a golden buying opportunity to own shares in ChatGPT backer Microsoft, MSFT, Alphabet, Palantir, PLTR, and other heavyweights of the American AI ecosystem that had come under pressure.
Friends, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.